Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the basics so we can eliminate easy causes fast. First, run a quick speed test and note Mbps and ping. If results are low, restart your router. Next, open Task Manager and close high CPU/GPU apps. Streaming and games can steal resources. Once done, try a different browser or an incognito window and temporarily disable extensions and hardware acceleration. This isolates browser-side decoding problems and narrows where the lag originates. Now you tackle deeper system-level causes and why they matter. Update your GPU drivers and browser. Outdated codecs or drivers cause frame drops. Lower YouTube quality to 720p or 480p to see if playback stabilizes. You'll cut decoding load and network demand. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free RAM and monitor temps. Thermal throttling reduces clock speeds and causes stutter. Finally, watch GPU and decoder usage to confirm whether CPU or GPU is the bottleneck. To finish, remove lingering software causes and lock in the solution. Clear your browser cache and disable any experimental video flags that may interfere with playback. Make the network change. Switch to wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and if available, enable Co-S to prioritize your PC's stream. If problems persist, toggle hardware acceleration the opposite way, reboot, and reinstall the browser to reset corrupted settings. This troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn, intermittent lag when everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.